Miller thinks maybe.
Here's Leah Clapper. Just an exhibition for the Gators, so this score does not count. All of the scores have already counted for the Gators. And Olivia Troutman goes 9.975, and the Sooners go 49.825 on the floor. Wow, what a finish.
And not only that, but it is a new record for the Sooners. High score ever, not just for the season, but ever. Previous record was a 49.725.
So a whole tenth higher when they needed it.
Well, we all know that is what a true champion does, is they rise to the occasion during the adversity. But I'll tell you what.